Hey, what's up? Today I'm breaking down how noise canceling in headphones actually works. Quick hook, I'll prove it in 10 seconds. If you're near a fan or AC, press play on your headphones ANC. Hear that low hum fade? That's not magic, that's math. Alright, demo time. Imagine I'm next to a plane engine. Steady roar. I flip ANC on. The roar drops way down, but a nearby clap still cuts through. Why? Because active noise cancellation is built for consistent, predictable noise, not sudden spikes. Here's the core idea. Destructive interference. Your headphones have tiny microphones listening to the outside world in real time. They capture the incoming sound wave, the hum, the rumble, the bus engine. Then a chip flips that wave upside down and adds it to your music. Upside down plus right side up equals 0, so the noise cancels. There are two main mic setups: feed forward, feedback. Feed forward mics sit on the outside grabbing noise before it reaches your ear. They're fast and good at high frequency stuff but can be thrown off by wind. Feedback mics are inside the ear cup, listening to what you actually hear. They're great for accuracy and bass cancellation, but they react a tiny bit later. Most premium headphones use hybrid ANC, both sets of mics, so you get speed and accuracy. Let's talk timing. Sound moves fast, and your headphones need to create the inverse wave within milliseconds. That's where DSP, digital signal processing, comes in. It predicts the noise pattern and shapes the anti-noise to match, especially for low, steady tones. Lower frequencies are easier, longer waves, more predictable. High frequency, sudden noises change too quickly to fully cancel, so they still sneak through. Keyboard clicks, claps. You'll also hear passive isolation. That's just the physical seal, the pads that block sound the old school way. Good passive isolation helps ANC do less heavy lifting, especially for mids and highs. In-ear earbuds get a lot of isolation just from the ear tips. Then there's transparency, or ambient mode. Same mics, opposite job. Instead of canceling, they pass outside sound into your ears, often boosting voices so you can hear announcements or talk without taking your headphones off. Why do some ANC headphones hiss? The system's always listening and generating anti-noise. That tiny electronic noise floor can sound like a hiss, especially when there's nothing playing. Better chips and tuning keep it subtle. And battery life. ANC costs power because the mics and processor never sleep. Turn it off, and most headphones last longer. Simple as that. So does ANC hurt audio quality? It can, if the tuning is aggressive and messes with your music. But good models compensate with EQ and smarter processing so your tracks stay clean. Quick buying tips. Test with a steady low hum, HVAC, traffic, plane noise. Check for wind resistance outside. Try transparency for voice clarity. And make sure the fit seals well. No seal, no deal. That's the science behind the silence. Microphones, math, microseconds. If this helped, hit like and drop what you want me to break down next. I'm out. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, ring the bell for more quick breakdowns.